Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to make money with BASE44, a platform that lets you create apps using AI in just minutes. There are two simple ways to earn from it. First, you can publish your own apps in the marketplace. Just go to App Templates, click Learn More and follow these steps. Open your app builder, head to Workspace Settings, then App Templates, then Manage Listing, and then set it to public visibility. Once it's public, other users can clone or buy your app, and that's how you earn from downloads or usage. Second, you can make money through the affiliate program, which I personally recommend. Go to the affiliate section, click join now, and fill out the form, and accept the contract. You'll get a referral code, and for every person who signs up using it, you can earn up to $100. And that's it, two easy ways to start earning with BASE44 in 2025. Try it out and let me know how it goes.